got done running. Well, still not done. I still got to do the rest of this. Pretty good run. I think I'm cramping. I need to start running again. And this is gonna be my view for the next. So I'll leave for Friday, basically. I got my coffee and fruit. Today is gonna be hiking day, so we're gonna go hike and go see some waterfalls. So pretty excited for that. Hopefully this waterfall's like really big. Yeah.
I gotta pick your poops up.
I'm swinging. We went through some old photos from my mom's side of the family. It was kind of cool to see how the 1950s was. It was pretty cool stuff. It was all black and white photos, and the fashion was really weird. I'm getting ready to hike some trails. Gotta get my shoes on. I wear these shoes at work, and they smell like river water. We're gonna go down these stairs.
$154 steps.
Wow. Oh, mud.
Oh.
Dang. Sorry, Mom.
It's like Wheel of Fortune. Oh, Vanna.
Adventure to see the second waterfall. I would say this one is a lot more entertaining, I feel like, because you're seeing a lot of nature stuff. I gotta watch my step so I don't fall. You're seeing a lot of this kind of nature stuff. I actually like this trail a lot more than the other one. Cause look at this. Gotta watch my step.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Okay, look at this hiding spot. Good spot to hide. So that was a pretty good one. I think that was my favorite waterfall because you get to see more of the scenic view and more of the nature aspect.
And I'm like, I'm gonna blow. I'm gonna pee my pants.
Anybody want some roadkill? So I think I'm gonna go for a swim in the lake. I think I'm gonna also make some coffee. I hate taking naps because I always feel groggy afterwards. I gotta change. How you doing? Hey. Hey. How you doing?
Get over here. Ellie. Ellie, get over here. Sorry.
No, that's okay. It's okay. I don't know how vloggers carry stuff while they have their camera. I can't do it. I have to put like my coffee down. So this is like my third cup of coffee today. I think I'm addicted. So I don't know how to swim very well. So I guess I'm gonna learn today. I'm kind of bored right now. Can a friend drive 7 hours to hang out with me? That'd be kind of cool. So every Tuesday we have a meeting for our YouTube channel. We try to make it consistent and make it every Tuesday, but sometimes we can't. So I'm trying to have a meeting tonight with my 3 partners. And if you haven't, and you've seen some of our videos, well, some of our videos, not a lot, but if you've seen some of our videos, you know, give us a like on our videos, comment, subscribe if you want to. You don't have to. Just got done outside. So I just got done with the meeting. I was outside for a little bit. So I just got done with the meeting. It's dark outside. And I'm inside now. Today was a pretty busy day. I ran this morning. I saw 2 waterfalls. Pretty great day. Pretty active day. It was a good day in general. I swam a lot, like twice. The lake is really nice and clear. So tomorrow I'm probably gonna run the 5 mile around here. It's just gonna be hard to get used to not doing 5 miles when I get back home, but I'm pretty excited to do it. I think it'll take me about 35, maybe 40 minutes, so I gotta get up early. Other than that, I'm gonna end this vlog.